Listen guys, this is Eric. I get asked all the time on our YouTube videos, especially our Red Friday videos, how can I get my own Red Friday swag? I've got this one, we've got some cool hats, we've got a whole bunch of other stuff on order right now. Okay, so the most simple answer is you're gonna go to LVR, that's low VA, right? So just the letter LVR, redfridayswag.com. Don't type in www or anything else, just LVR up in your internet bar, LVR Red Friday Swag. It will redirect you to a website where we lay it out in a 3-step process. Simply put, you're gonna wear something red that you currently have. You're gonna take a picture of yourself. You're gonna post it on your social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever you use. That picture of you or your loved one in red, you're gonna tag at Low VA Rates, and then you're gonna put something with the hashtag Red Friday. You might put, I love hashtag Red Friday, and I love the military, and I love Eric at Low VA Rates. Whatever you wanna put, you're then gonna take a screenshot on your phone or something. You're gonna upload that to this LVR Red Friday Swag video, showing us proof that you've done it. Fill out your name, your address, and your shirt size, your hat size. We're gonna send directly to you some Red Friday swag. Can't get any better than that, super easy. Spread the word. Thanks for asking. Now you know how to get your own Red Friday swag.